We are Mark and Kimberly. If you're new here, thanks for checking out our channel. We are semi-retired and still own a crop dusting business and have served local farmers in the eastern Iowa area for the last 16 years. We purchased a camper in 2024 and started doing some traveling. We found out we love to travel and have upgraded our home on wheels and have extended our travel time with our little dog Gracie. Most recently, we purchased just over 5 acres of land in hopes of making this our home base.
Thanks for joining us on some of our adventures.
The geese and their babies have come to check out our campsite. We're hoping they don't poop everywhere, but they must feel safe. Gracie hasn't seen them yet. You don't want to be in the water, Gracie? You see the fish? You can't play with the fish.
You want to play with the fishies? You like watching the fish?
This is as close as we've gotten to a loon. It's fishing. There goes. So at our campsite, we were sitting outside to eat last night, and there was a little chipmunk who was just scurrying around. And we saw the day before he was just kind of scurrying around, whatever, and didn't really seem too bothered by our stuff. So we're like probably used to people being around them. Anyway, this little guy, he came over right next to us at the picnic table, and Mark's like, "No, we're not gonna feed you." And we'll put the video in right here, and you'll find out what happened. 10 minutes later, what happened, and he already had a name. We got a little friend. We named him Charlie.
Charlie, come here. Come here. Come on. There you go, Charlie. Come here. Come here. I'm not brave enough to let him take it out of my hand.
I think he would have.
I think he would have too.
Did he bite you?
He nipped. No biting, Charlie. Remember that video from years ago, Charlie?
Ow! Ow, Charlie! Ow!
I'm not sticking my fingers out. He's definitely not afraid.
Mm-mm.
Come here, dude. Way
Charlie's on this seat.
Charlie, I don't think you've been invited up here.
You're the one that gave him something.
Good boy. Stay down, Charlie.
Today we're on an adventure in our stay here in Minnesota. Cute little town that we drove through on our way to the campground, and it looks like I looked it up and it said it's a Bavarian style. This town, there were some immigrants from the Bavaria area, and so it's pretty cute. We'll show you what it looks like. But we also looked up, in Bavaria, in case you don't know, is a state in Germany.
The UPS guy is chasing me. I'm trying not to hold him up. We're just out here gawking.
Yeah.
We have nowhere to be right now. I want to just not drive fast and just
Lollygag.
Lollygag. What is a lollygag?
Why is it called lollygag? I don't know. As many of you know, Minnesota is known for their many lakes, and there are a lot of lakes. And
At least 10.
And one of the names of the lakes is Embarrass Lake, but then there's also a town of Embarrass, but it's not on Embarrass Lake.
Well, that's embarrassing.
That is embarrassing.
Mr. UPS pushed us to the limit. I think we missed our turn.
We better use our GPS.
Yeah, I was trying not to use my GPS. I'm like, I got this.
Yeah. So there's an old bike trail on this side, and there's a new bike trail on that side.
Paved and unpaved. I
Yeah.
guess we don't really know which one's old and which one's new.
Well, that's probably true.
We gotta find our boat ramp. That's what we're looking for, actually, right? Oh!
We think we found it? Wow, it's definitely crystal clear waters. Wow.
So is this an old quarry then? Must be.
I wonder.
It's definitely clear water, that's for sure.
It's very pretty. That's the ski lift there. So this is Giant's Ridge. It's a big skiing.
That one must be the Bunny Hill.
Uh-huh. Also, that's if you need to stand and wait for a lift.
Is it?
Looks like it. They use it for lake, skiing, and golf. So this is a very outdoorsy community here.
Pretty schmancy place.
Yeah,
Pulled pork and loaded fries for $10. That's pretty reasonable.
it is.
Pretty cool. Surprised they don't have some summer things that you can use those. Pole cat. Snowmaker. Wow. That's pretty wild. You don't
I only like to go slow on bike trails. I don't keep up with his shenanigans.
Shenanigans. What is a shenanigan? Gotta look up lolly and shenanigan. Maybe is there a lolly shenanigan?
Lollygag.
Oh, lollygag. All right, so we're going to the town of Bewabic. I think that's how you say it. So we're gonna go check it out. We have dinner plans this evening with friends. We got a little time that we're gonna do some adventuring, and Bewabic was on our list to go check out.
Yep.
So we'll take you guys along, see what we can see.
Yesterday we spent most of the day working at our campsite. We went for a couple walks, kind of checked out the campground, but mostly we were just working. So today we're getting out and doing some adventuring. Little ski lifts. It's cute.
Oh, the base is made out of railroad rail.
Oh,
That ain't tipping over.
that's pretty cool.
What's with the moose?
I don't know. Let's see what it says. He's pretty big. Honk the moose. Hmm. Oh.
Can't go in the front door. First enter's closed.
Open.
It says it's open. He doesn't say to come in.
No. Hi.
How are you guys?
Good. Well, we got a pasty.
Rutabaga.
It's his
got
best seller.
Beef, pork, potato, carrot, onion, salt, and pepper with a wheat flour lard crust.
Nice.
We're gonna try it out.
No Crisco in this crust.
No. Pasty. That's interesting. He said it was, what did he say, it was Cornish?
I don't know.
I don't know.
England. Didn't he say
Cornish, England?
I don't know.
Something. We'll go with that.
Yeah.
You guys can correct us in the comments if we're wrong.
Yeah.
I don't know. We're newbies.
Yeah. We'll have to come and check out this place.
I have a hard time turning down pizza.
Yeah, pizza is one of his favorites.
Yep.
I could get real tired of it real quick. Kind of like
How
burgers.
can you get tired of pizza? And it's got everything. It's got vegetables. It's got cheese. It's got your dairy. I mean, it's like one of the most healthy things you can eat, right? It's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Right.
We're going over the speed bumps. It's triggering the accident thing on the dash cam. I think we got referred to the correct camp.
Yeah. Agreed.
We're spilling greasy water. Watch out for bikes. You can blast them down this hill and get us.
That's a nice trail.
Dude's got him a mini excavator.
Do you miss your mini excavator?
Well, I miss running it, but I'm definitely not disappointed that we're on vacation. So, there you have it.
I'm glad we worked and got so much done. And knowing that we had this getaway planned, it just kind of helped make the work easier. I don't know. I like something to look forward to.
Yep, for sure. We definitely had something to look forward to.
Town of Bowabic was cute, little. We ended up walking on Main Street. It didn't take us, excuse me.
Didn't take very long, only about 3 blocks each way
Yeah.
for where business or downtown section was.
Yep. They had a grocery store. I went in and got a few things, and they had pretty much anything you'd want. There was nothing that I wanted that they didn't have. So it was nice. Nice little community. Get out of here, you poopy things. Come on. Go on. Go find a different site. Go on. Come on. Go on. Go find a different site. We don't want your poop. We already have enough. Get your little poopers out of here. Nothing to see here. This is Charlie's area. Thank you. I'm working outside today, and I see, hopefully you can see it, there's a snail. Right there. Climbing this way.
Don't feed the wildlife, folks. Unless it doesn't have preservatives in it. Does that get you excited? Oh. Little hummingbird over in that tree.
I don't have anything, dude.
What I got? That's it, dude.
Okay, we're gonna bake our pasty, and it says if it's thawed 20 to 30 minutes, and it's about half thawed, so we'll start with 30. Okay, I baked it for 30 minutes. It looks like it's done. The inside said like 145, and we're gonna pair it with some fresh asparagus. So a part of our adventuring in northern Minnesota, we are checking out Lake Superior. Neither one of us have been to Lake Superior, and this is going to be the North Shore. We're pretty excited. We did some research and found that there's a lighthouse down here that's in the area where we're going to, and it is the most photographed lighthouse in the United States. I don't know how they figure that out. But
how would they know that? Are they checking everybody's phones?
I don't know. They're checking everything.
Sketchy.
Yeah. So anyway, that's going to be pretty exciting to see that. And then there is a waterfall real close there. And I didn't realize there's like multiple waterfalls the whole North Shore of Lake Superior. So that's cool. And Duluth has been on our bucket list ever since we started in aviation, because they have an airport right there on an island in Duluth.
Kind of the sliver between like a bay and the Lake Superior. So I think they have a seaplane base there too in the bay, and we always thought it'd be really cool to fly up here and land there, and you can walk to the hotel or whatever. Never happened.
Maybe it will.
Life changes. You never know.
Yeah.
Someday we may again get a cross-country machine, but it would have to be after we're no longer in business and have more time, because our summertime is so busy for 3 months that, and then you're playing catch up afterwards, and then we got to get ready to go to Arizona. So life changes, as you know, and our mission for our aircraft changes. That's why we got rid of the Bonanza and went back to a Citabria, because we just things changed, and we decided that we were not going to be able to use the Bonanza like we had hoped to.
Yes. Yeah.
So, but that would have been a perfect airplane to fly up here.
Yep.
I mean, we probably could have flown up here in, what is it, almost 8-hour drive, and we probably could have flown up here in 3. So I can check that on my aviation app and let you know for sure down below.
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go see the picturesque lakeshore. We're doing our navigation to where we're going today, and good thing we downloaded it before we left the campground, because we have no service, which is fine, but it's like you kind of, sometimes I like to zoom out and see, okay, this turn off goes to this place. So I went old school, pulled out the actual Atlas, but it's a 2015, so it's not really up to date.
No, the old trucker's Atlas, but at least it tells us where the scales are.
Yeah. Nice little path, picnic area. Anchor of Madeira? Oh, wow. Look at that.
Fished in and around Lake Superior for centuries. They've gathered long rice for centuries, and from the 1830s to the 1850s. There's one more.
But still a striking symbol of guidance and romance.
Kind of disappointed. Looks like they're working on it. Our first real look at the shoreline.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, look at how big the rocks are.
The light would reach almost to the other side. Duluth is that way.
They're just baby steps. Yeah, I'm not gonna be calling it. There's this. So well, someday they had to go up there and clean on it. Saw the photos of the
Circling around.
They had to wind
Wind the light every hour and a half to 2 hours.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. This is how the keepers' homes would have been furnished around the 1920s and 30s. You can walk through and let me know if you have questions.
And was this the head keeper's house then?
Yeah, they were all identical. But,
Okay.
I mean, the only reason this was technically the head keeper's house is just because it's closer to the lighthouse.
Okay, cool. He didn't have to walk as far, right?
Might have had a little bit better water pressure too. 'Cause the
Okay.
Water, I mean, the pump was down by their dock.
Okay.
You'd have to go down and start it, and that would fill pump water to a cistern under the fog signal building. And
Okay.
we'd feed it down to the houses, so it had pressure. So this first one up probably had the best water
The
pressure.
best pressure. Yep.
Running water in 1910 is a pretty big deal.
For sure. Yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
Old Winter Flower, General Mills.
Oh, yeah. See, even back then they had little cool pantries.
Homes were set up around the 19.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
Tank.
Oh, that's so interesting. Preserved it really nice.
Mm-hmm.
These look very similar to the ones in our house.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Kids' room.
Yeah. Very neat.
Ooh.
Who's creaking?
Gotta get some laundry done. Oh, and there's their herbs.
Welcome to the shop. It's like anything they needed to do repairs. Very cool.
Well, that was really cool.
That was well worth it. I don't know, I think it was 19 bucks for 2 of us?
Yeah, they had a discount today. Not sure why, but looks like it.
That's a pretty cool bridge for the bike and walking trail.
Yeah, because right there's Superior.
Lake Superior.
We are on our way now to...
Gooseberry Falls. Is that a state park?
Yeah,
I think so. Gooseberry Falls State Park. I'm assuming there's a waterfall there.
right. Yep. Yep.
I guess I only know because Kimberly was researching it this morning and telling me what she was finding.
Yep. So it's really close to the lighthouse, so we're gonna take you guys along and let you know what we think. Gracie's pretty excited. She was to go with us.
Come on. Otter? Come here. That's an otter? Yeah. Is this fun?
Yeah.
She was like not sure about
No.
Okay, get in. Oh, good job. Good job.
Going to an A&W drive-in. What do you want? Did you place your order yet? You think you need something too?
She was trying to tell her what she wanted, but I kept telling her to be quiet. She technically didn't get to put her order in.
Yeah, I guess you're right. She's like, what about me?
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you very much. Here you go, puppy.
Oh, thank you. You like that?
It's foaming. Free wood, eh?
Thank you.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my gosh! So in real life.
I would seriously throw my back out if I did that.
So no camping trip would be complete without making some s'mores and having a fire. So that's what we're doing tonight. It's actually our last night. So
I thought no camping trip was complete without mosquitoes.
well, plenty of them.
And they're bigger up here in Minnesota.
Yeah.
Oof,
Yeah.
the loons.
Love the loons. So overall, it's been a great, relaxing time. spent some time working on videos, which when you're in YouTube, you kind of have to do that.
Gotta keep up. If your plan is to put one video out a week, whether you're on vacation or not, unless you decide you're just not going to put one out that week, which that's an option too.
Yep.
Fisherman's Point Campground is a must-do. It's electric only, but they've got potable water. When you come in, you can fill your tank, and they've got a dump station. You cannot bring firewood in. They will sell you the firewood, and I think it's a privately owned campground, so more power to them. I will support them, buy their firewood, no problem.
Plenty of garbage, trash receptacles, plenty of either porta pots or
Shower houses. With bathrooms in them, so they're individual. You open up the door, you go in, lock it behind you, and there's a sink and a mirror, toilet, and a shower, and a chair, baby changing station. And these don't look like they're probably more than 3 years old, these bathhouses, if that. The one closest to us looks like it's probably only a year old.
And in that complex, there's 8 shower bathrooms. They're clean, and the showers, you push them, and then they're on for, what would you say, a couple minutes? Good pressure. It seems like it's soft water because my shampoo really lathered up good and warm enough. And
yeah, you can't control the temperature or anything. You just push it in, and it just kind of slowly, like those hand faucets, when you push them to start them.
And it's interesting. We got here on a Monday, and today is Friday. Whole different campground. You got all the weekenders.
Weekenders are showing up.
It's time for us to go. There's quite a few that are seasonal sites. I went through on the map and I circled, because we'd go for walks quite a bit. And I'd be like, okay, that's a really good site. We could do that one. This one, of course, is our super favorite. Even walking around, and even the camp host was like, oh, that's the most coveted site. So they were kind of surprised we hadn't been here before. But anyway, great site and just nice people. And yeah, this was a super nice getaway before we switched. So like for 8 weeks, we've been working on the property. And then we took this break. We've had this plan for a couple months, so we knew it. And then now we're going to go home and we're going to focus on the aviation. We're going to get planes ready. We're going to get everything set up, the inductor set up, the load pad, unwinterize the office, and then I'm going to do a bunch of meal prep. So that's going to take us probably through the rest of June.
Yeah, whenever we get that done, then we can go mess around with the property again and just work, because there's always something to do out there. Split Rock Lighthouse.
Yeah.
Very neat, very much worth the trip. I think it cost us $19 to get in and see it. Gooseberry Falls, which is only 8 miles away, and that's on Highway 61 that goes along the north shore of Lake Superior. That was worth the stop, and that is dog friendly, just so you know.
And then we drove down to Duluth and we found a nice little cafe where we had lunch.
Yep.
And it was super good, very fresh.
Yep, super good.
And then it poured. We didn't really get to, in Duluth, go look at the shore or look at the
See the lake.
Yeah.
We saw it a little bit, but it was really foggy early.
It was kind of foggy up at the lighthouse too.
We came to this area specifically and had this campground recommended to us by a couple that we came up here to meet. We knew them just from online and came up here and met them. We just, ever since we started watching their YouTube channel, just felt, these two are just, we feel like they're very like-minded. We like their morals and their values, and the whole iron sharpens iron thing. It's just the more you're around people like that, it just encourages you to be better and get stronger in your faith. Wonderful people. Hoping that relationship continues and grows and builds. And
yeah, that was fun.
Was that the icing on the cake?
That was the icing on the cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would say so.
Yeah.
So wonderful trip. Need to head home in the morning. We're gonna see what the weather's doing. We're supposed to have some kind of severe weather, maybe even hail rolling through the Midwest tomorrow. We'll just double check things in the morning. Obviously, we're not gonna go blasting down into it.
We might go to North Dakota instead. I'm just kidding.
I guess we have some friends over there too, don't we?
We do.
It is an option, guys. Whatever. And this is kind of been our goal the last year, is to build relationships.
Yeah.
Because you can spend your whole life making money and doing all these things and being wealthy, and that's good as long as you're humble and you know where all that comes from. Building relationships, that's probably more important. I would say that's more important. So
Sharing the love of Jesus with other people.
Yep.
Sharing your life, being a light to them, an encouragement to them. People are the only thing you get to take to heaven. You can't take your money.
Yep.
But
your possessions, all that stuff's
yeah.
going to stay here and rot away, guys. Store up your treasures in heaven. We've been blessed very much by the Lord, and we try, and we know that we are stewards of the things He has given us.
Yeah.
We try and bless other people and build these relationships.
Yeah.
And so that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
So super great week up here. Kind of disappointed to leave, and
Yeah.
we're heading home tomorrow, we think.
Yeah.
Weather dependent. We'll see. Play it by ear, but the bugs are definitely, I mean, they're not Alaska-sized mosquitoes, but even the flies are
Gnats.
bigger. The mosquitoes are bigger. I saw 6 of those big, huge bumblebees, and they'll just buzz you. I've never had one land on me, but it kind of freaks you out a little bit when it's like right by your ear. Sounds like a helicopter just about took you out. But
Thank you for joining us on this episode of our trip. We hope that you would give us a like, give us a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing, because there's going to be more acreage content, more aviation content, and then of course there will be more RV content coming later in the fall.
yeah, and if you know somebody who might like watching the channel, share our channel with them.
Yeah.
So I know we've had people reach out and said, hey, I shared this with friends of mine, and they really enjoy watching the channel. And
Yeah.
So we appreciate everything, even
Yeah.
if it's just to watch. We appreciate it all.
Yeah.
So thanks for being here, guys.
Thank you.